Well, there doesn't seem to be any anti-reflective coating. I'm not sure if it's there, but maybe, maybe not. It's rather reflective. So if you're not familiar with this watch, is the Hamilton Murph from, it's kind of a prop, that was created for the movie Interstellar. So if you haven't watched Interstellar, go ahead and watch it. It's one of the best movies ever. And in that movie, this watch plays a significant role. I'm not going to spoil the movie here, but it plays a very significant role rather than just a prop or just like a advertisement that is placed inside the movie. It serves a rather important purpose. But in that movie, the original watch, the case diameter, I believe it's 42. And it has a lug-to-lug distance of, I don't know, 50 millimeters or more than that. And they also, Hamilton also actually produced that watch. I cannot remember when was it, maybe 2018, the 42 millimeters version, but it's kind of big, and a lot of people are asking for a smaller or more manageable size. And you know what? Yeah, Hamilton, listen. And in fact, this is my first Hamilton watch that I purchased. It's not my first Hamilton watch in for review, but it's the first that I purchased, and yeah, I wanted it to be special. Yes, I was looking to get the khaki king, all those like khaki mechanical. But even though at a case diameter of 38 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken, the lug-to-lug distance, it's rather long at 47-ish, which is a little long for my small 6-inch wrist. And this one, you know what? The lug-to-lug distance, it's 44.5 millimeters. That's an awesome size. And it has that classic look, like it has a faux patina on it. And the hands are also filled with that faux patina loom. Cathedral hands, strange minute hands, and a simple second hand. Well, there's no Morse code engraved on the second hand like on the bigger version, but I guess that's okay because I don't think you'll be able to notice that even on a 42 millimeter watch. So it's overall a very nice watch. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing. So I will be doing a full review after a month or two of wearing the watch. First impression though, I really like the watch. I like how it looks. Interstellar is again one of my favorite movies. And yeah, off the bat, the leather strap, it's cheap. Yeah, it's stiff, it's padded. It has this faux crocodile pattern on it. I believe I'm not sure if it's even leather. It's not engraved everywhere. If it's genuine leather, let me just give it a smell. Well, it smells like leather, but yeah, I don't think it's croc. It's maybe from a cow or something, but it's cheap. It's stiff. I don't like padded leather. Let's peel this off. And powering this watch is a Hamilton H10 movement, which is essentially similar to an Powermatic 80 from the Swatch Group. Yeah, so Hamilton is part of a Swatch Group. So as you can see earlier, the warranty card is from Swatch Group Malaysia. But the funny thing is that not all authorized retailer that sells like Swatch Group products, like for example, ADs in Penang that sells Rado, Omega, or maybe not Omega, Rado, Longines, Tissot, they do not carry Hamilton. Not a lot of them. In fact, in Penang, I think there are only 2 companies. And yeah, I actually walked up to one in Penang. So I inquired about a watch. You know what they say? The retail is Malaysian ringgit 3,800 ringgit, and you know what they quoted me? 4,000. Yeah, so it's that I have to pay more than retail to get the watch from them. Who do they think they are? So I ended up buying it online directly from Swatch Malaysia, right? Okay, let's quickly put this on the wrist. I'm not sure if the leather strap is short enough for me because I have a very small wrist, and looking at it, maybe the number of holes are not enough. So yeah, just give it a try. Well, to my surprise, the last hole fits me rather well, but I think the leather will need some time to break in because it's really stiff on my wrist. And yeah, I mean, like it looks okay. There's no luck overhang, but because of that dome crystal and the smaller bezel, it looks like a bigger watch, which is to be expected, especially for a field type or aviator type, flieger type, kind of watch. I think it's still okay on my small 6-inch or 15.2 centimeter wrist. I really like the clasp though. It's engraved with the Hamilton branding. Maybe you can say that there's no clash because it's brushed, and here most of the surface of the watch is brushed, brush sides, brush top, except for the high polish bezel, and it looks awesome. But yeah, the lack of anti-reflective coating, at this price point, I would expect a little more from Hamilton. But yeah, thanks to them for throwing in this free gift. I believe it's a shoe bag or a toiletry bag, maybe. I don't know. Feels like a shoe bag, but it's not big enough to fit in a pair of shoes, so I'm guessing it's a toiletry bag. It's kind of nice with that military theme, with that canvas, and that brownish, maybe faux leather. But yeah, I get it. It's kind of a military theme because that's what khaki is, the khaki mechanical days. And I believe, last time Hamilton, when they still based in America, I think they issue watches for the US and maybe Canada, or the military. I could be wrong, but yeah, I get it. Yeah, so thanks for the free gift, Swatch Group Malaysia. So yeah, I'll be doing a full review after wearing this watch for a few months or few weeks. And also, if you're interested to know more, please do subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on the channel. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.